What if I told you, the battery in your mouse is basically a controlled chemical reaction, happening under your hand? No flames. No noise. Just pure energy, flowing exactly where you need it. Let's open it up and see what's really going on inside. A battery is like a portable energy box. It stores energy in the form of chemicals, and turns it into electricity whenever you need it. There are two main types. Single-use batteries, you throw them away. Rechargeable batteries, like in your phone or laptop. But no matter the type, the way they work is surprisingly similar. Inside every battery, there are three key parts. A negative side called the anode. A positive side called the cathode. And a middle layer called the electrolyte. Think of it like a sandwich, two pieces of metal, with a special chemical filling in between. Now here's where things get interesting. When the battery is connected to something, like a bulb, a chemical reaction starts inside. This reaction does something very important: it pulls electrons away from atoms. These are attracted to and gained by a chemical paste called the electrolyte. As they're freed, they start traveling down and building up on one side of the battery, the anode. Now we have a problem. Too many electrons on anode, and not enough on the cathode. And nature hates imbalance. Those extra electrons want to move. But here's the catch: they can't travel through the battery directly. So what do? They take the long way around, through whatever device you connected like a bulb. Electrons leave the anode. Travel through the wire. Power your bulb along the way. Then return to the cathode. The flow continues until the store of chemicals is exhausted. This whole process is called discharging. But rechargeable batteries have a trick. When you plug them into a charger, you force the electrons to go backwards. Literally. The current flows in reverse, pushing electrons back to where they started. This rebuilds the original chemical balance, like resetting the battery. So it's ready to go again. So the next time your phone battery hits 1%, remember. Inside that tiny object, a complex dance of chemistry and physics has been working non-stop to power your world. And all of it comes down to one simple idea. Electrons, just trying to find their way home. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more science stories, and let me know in the comments what you want us to explain next.